what's happening in the Amazon has actually been happening for several years, but it's reaching a critical point. What we're seeing is really an unprecedented, deliberate setting of fires to clear land for agricultural use. The forests in Amazonia, and those include countries outside of Brazil, constitute about 25% of the carbon sink globally. And that's why losing this carbon to the atmosphere has such enormous consequences for global warming. Currently, the level of deforestation in the Amazon is about 15% that's already been destroyed. If that level reaches 20 to 25%, there's some concern that this could create conditions that will make it difficult for forests to continue to function, and so the ecosystems are going to change. Once the fires die down and it's no longer on the news, people tend to forget about it. But this is going to have a lasting impact, and one that will reverberate not only through Brazil, but also globally.